Hi guys, welcome to the channel. If this is your first time, I am Alice and you're welcome to my channel. To my returning subscribers, you guys already know you're the best. So guys, in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to rock different hairstyle on your freshly relaxed hair, and not just your relaxed hair alone. If you are not relaxed, maybe your natural hair, you can also try this hairstyle as well. It's actually going to be very beautiful when you do it on your natural hair as well. So guys, I don't know what to say, but I just want to use this opportunity to thank you guys for your support. Like, I don't know, I just want to continue. Like, this year I'm not going to stop, thanking you guys for your support, amazing support to my channel. God bless you all. So the video is actually very detailed, and the hairstyles are styles that you can do without using any gel. Just use your hair oil to apply it on your hair, and also your moisturizer to make it easy for you to pat the hair. So that's basically the things you need. You don't need hair gel or edge control, and trust me, the styles are actually very nice, and they are going to actually fit and come out really nice without gel, because some people, they can't do without gel. Like, when I see hairstyles with gel, oh my god, those hairstyles are actually very beautiful, but sometimes those things have setback for some people's hair. I mean, not everybody, basically. Like, that's why people are used to using it, because they probably don't have any setback. But sometimes for some people, when they use it, they usually have setback. So anyways, either ways, if you're going to use gel, no problem, but this video is showing you the hairstyles you can make without gel that will still come out looking beautiful. Hairstyles that you can rock, back to school hairstyle, or probably for an outing. Basically, you can rock this hairstyle with your relaxed hair, your natural hair. So guys, in case you've not given this video a big thumbs up, you can use this time to give it a big thumbs up. Let me know in the comment section if you are going to be trying this hairstyle, and also at the end of the video, you're going to let me know which is your favorite, which one is your favorite. I didn't even number. Okay, I think I'm going to do that. I'm definitely going to number it, so you can let me know your favorite in the comment section. And don't forget to share the video to your loved ones, your family, your friends that will be interested in content like this. So let me give you guys a little music to enjoy the rest of the video. So, guys, at this point, you should start thinking of which one is your favorite. Because for me, I think I'm loving all the hairstyles. Like, everything fits me so well, and I think it's going to fit you too if you give it a try. So, don't forget, let me know in the comment section which of the hairstyle is your favorite. Which of them is your favorite hairstyle? Drop it in the comment. I think I love this one. Like, oh my god, this is looking so nice. I don't know, but I love everything basically. So I don't know, but you can let me know which one you will choose in the comment section. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, subscribe if you are yet to, and I'll see you guys in another video. For now, bye.